So Krishna, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
So start the topic.
Respected sir, and my dear friend, good evening to all of you. So today I am going to introduce our topic name is wildlife in front of you all. I hope you will like it. Here I go. So we know that life is we thinking that life is very easy. Yes, but only for us, but not animals. Animals life is very difficult because we are living in you can say this time all people only think about uh, development and how to increase building, how to make cities. But in when I talk about wildlife, so wildlife is very difficult. And why I'm saying that wildlife is very difficult, because what is the difference of zoo lion and a jungle lion? The difference of zoo lion is don't know about how to survive and how to eat animals and how to hunt, but the jungle lion know about how to hunt and how to eat and how to kill the animals. So in the jungle there are small babies of cap buffalo. So when cap buffalo baby with her mom, yeah, with his mom, so some so all animals feel fear to his home. But when his mother not with him, so I think like fox, lion and hyenas, cheetah and leopards, there are many animals ready to eat cap buffalo baby. And life is not good for animals. And I think there are many hyenas eat lion cub. And you know that lion life is not easy, because lion is the king of jungle and lion should be very powerful. In when lion cross her means when lion cross the age of 10 years old, the outsider males means another males come in the territory and then fight, then another male win the fight of territory, and then another male become the new king of the jungle. So that that old lion can't survive in jungle, and old lion can't be a king. Only new lions be a king. But when I talk about lion cub, so lion cub is very small and there are many hyenas. In outsider males also ready to kill lion cub, but the lion father is ready to fight for for her cub, because cubs is very small and cubs don't know about how to survive, and this is jungle and this is very dangerous. So the father means the male lions protect the area from outsider males and the hyenas also. In the movie of Lion King, you say that how to Mufasa save her cub Simba from the hyenas and his territory from the outsider male. So male lions is very important for the cry. Only not person live in family. I only not person live in family. The animals also live in family. In big group of lions, you can say big group of lions family called the name of pride. I think there are 20 lioness and one male lion. 20 and one male lion is the king of territory, jungle and the pride also. Without male lion, females killed by outsider males, and females cub also killed by the another males. And I think one lion coalition is 6 lion, and 6 lion name is Mapkapo lions history. If you searching, so Mapkapo lions killed 100 lioness and 10 lion in 1 year. That called very powerful, because male lion is very longer and big than female. Female is very small and weak, but male lions is very powerful. And the if I talk about big cats, so there are many big cats like lions, cheetah, leopard, jaguar, black panther. But the biggest cats, there are only 2 cats. First is lion. There are 3 types of lion. First is Barbary lion, second African lion, third Asiatic lion. Means Asiatic lions means Indian lion. Indian lion here is no long, but Africa lion here is very long. But Barbary lion coalition means Barbary lion going to end, mean going to finish because of the hunting of lions. But Africa have I think uh, 30 lion, means 30,000 lions. There are 30,000 lion lives in Africa, but in past 20 years there are 1 lakh lions lived in the Africa because of hunt. Day by day lion population decreasing, not increasing. But this is also good for jungle. If this is nature, like cheetah kill leopard and the lion kill buffalo and the buffalo kill lion, this is the rule of nature. If lion population will increase, so lion will hunt animals, and if lion will eat, hunt and all animals, then all animals will finish. And I am talk about the big tigers of the world. The big tigers of the world live in Russia. You can say Siberian tiger and Siberian tiger, and second is Royal Bengal tiger, live in India in Bengal. And in the jungle of Veer in the Gujarat, there are many Indian lions hunted by the peoples, because people day by day cutting jungles because we are very bad. And you know that leopard leopard one leopard killed a hyena, but there are three hyenas can defeat one female lioness, but a one male lion can defeat 100 hyenas. 100 hyenas, that show the power of males in jungle. And Siberian tiger is the biggest tiger in the world. You should know that Siberian tiger is very powerful, found in Russia, but because of hunting, so Russia banned to kill Siberian tiger. And one lion name is Sizzle, so one hunter kills Sizzle, then all world against the hunter of Sizzle. The hunter of Sizzle killed by many people, because Sizzle was the biggest lion in the whole Africa, biggest lion whole the Africa. And Sizzle only one lion, and Sizzle fight with, I think, 3 lions. Only one lion fight with 3 lions, that so the Sizzle was very powerful. And the fox, when I talk about fox, so fox is very small, but who is the big, means who is the fastest animal in the world, who run very fast? So name is cheetah, because cheetah runs very fast, 120 kilometers. And second, leopard is very dangerous. And you don't. And also leopard is also dangerous. And wild dog also dangerous, because when you will feel pain, so your body will very strong, so feel pain, this time all choose shortcut, all day by day choosing shortcut, like supplements and protein. This is shortcuts. So why are you choosing shortcut? Live like an animal. And this is a dialogue. Lion came with a single, not lion live in pride. Lion not came single, but tiger came with single, because tiger is a real king of jungle, and tiger is more powerful than lion. Yes.